While the city of Buffalo being nuked, there was a virus spreading all over the city. Back in 2008, the Seneca 1 tower was almost a steroid, but all it was half building. Thanks for watching Northern Grand Island News.
This city of Buffalo has been issued. Why? Before the new captain, there is some empties before the new happened in Buffalo, and at 10:45, some victims haven't records of empties around your room in Orchard Park, thousands of cities for those who are killed in the bomb. They were empties, any of them, or this one that your family member, they will kill you, they infect you, and they will haunt you. We have an important, since there's a lot of entities going to be affected. This city is about to end. Pray for impact. (1801) 2009